Oh shit. What's good, everyone? Welcome back. Today is exhaust day on the FD. FD is already up on the quick jack. We are going to be doing a full exhaust removal and installing everything from the turbo back. Gonna get rid of this turd. So I'm going to show you guys what I ended up picking up for exhaust. I ended up getting the HKS downpipe with the RacingBeat mid pipe, and then the RacingBeat muffler. So, dual tip muffler. I thought that the dual tip looked much better than the single tip in my opinion, but I've always ran RacingBeat on all my RX-7s. So my FC is also running a RacingBeat turbo back RacingBeat exhaust. It's conservative when you want it to be, but when you get on the power, like the noise, the music is all there. So I'm very confident that this will be a great addition to the car. But on that note, if you guys could do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button, that will help me out tremendously. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content. But furthermore, let's get to the removal. So with the downpipe removal, there's 4 14mm bolts here that you gotta remove. Don't forget to disconnect your O2 sensor. Where my light go? There it is. So the O2 sensor already disconnected, but the harness is right here. So easy to remove. And then the rest of the exhaust is like, I believe it's 17 or 18 mil, and that's just, you know, simple stuff to remove. So that should be very easy to do. So ladies and gentlemen, even before I got to removing the cat back, we have a situation. So that is my diff, and there's just a ton of caked on just nastiness. Oh, this is gonna become a bigger project than I want it to be. So yeah, I gotta get rid of the drop. Pretty much I gotta drop the diff. This sucks because I don't want to remove this guy. I hear this guy can be a pain in the ass. All right, everything is out. It took a little longer than I thought it would, but take a look, a little comparison of the factory downpipe with the HKS. Then we have the mid-pipe section here. Then the muffler section. So I had to actually cut off the hooks that were on the chassis, but whoever did this last pretty much Mickey Mouse this whole thing. As you can see, is just terrible. So another thing that will be very noticeable too on the car is that the factory cat and downpipe were extremely heavy. So with this new setup, it is going to be much lighter, which will be nice. But let's address the elephant in the room. I have a lot of work to do on this car. The rear diff, having all that caked oil on it, is just going to take a lot of work now, because I have to drop the drive line, the brace that runs in between the pretty much the transmission and goes all the way back to the diff. I have to drop all that stuff. I'm not looking forward to this, but I guess this is a part of the adventure. So stay tuned, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.